eSIM not working iPhone 14. Facing eSIM issues on your iPhone 14 can be a headache, but there's a way out. eSIM technology allows you to connect without a physical SIM, offering convenience and flexibility. Yet, some users encounter problems activating their eSIM on the iPhone 14. Let's dive into why these issues occur. Common reasons include carrier incompatibility, incorrect activation steps, outdated iOS, enabled airplane mode, service outages, or conflicts with dual SIM usage. Don't fret, there are solutions. Restarting your iPhone, checking carrier compatibility, updating iOS, toggling airplane mode, verifying service outages, and ensuring proper eSIM activation are vital steps. For eSIM activation, simply head to Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, and follow the prompts to add your cellular plan using a QR code from your carrier. If issues persist, resetting network settings might do the trick. This step erases saved network configurations, potentially clearing up any eSIM glitches. Another fix involves removing and reinstalling the eSIM. This can resolve problems stemming from a corrupt eSIM profile. VPNs can sometimes interfere with network connections. If you're using a VPN, consider disabling it to see if that resolves your eSIM issues. Still stuck? It's time to contact Apple or your carrier's support team. They can offer further assistance, potentially issuing a new QR code for activation. Manually activating your eSIM involves scanning a QR code or entering details provided by your carrier. This process is straightforward and can usually resolve activation problems. Lastly, if you're wondering whether resetting network settings can fix eSIM issues, the answer is yes, but it depends on the root cause of the problem. For more tips and tricks on resolving eSIM issues on your iPhone 14, don't forget to subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.